Hello students, welcome back to the channel. So today we will complete exercise 12.1 of class 9. 3 questions were done in the previous video. So today we will do questions 4 to 6. So let us see what question 4 says. Find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter, 10 centimeter and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. So perimeter is given, two sides are given. So we have to find the area. So to find the area, we know that we need all the three sides. So first of all, we will find the third side. So perimeter is given. Perimeter is equal to, we know that sum of all sides. So a plus b plus c will be equal to 42. Put value of a and b here. 18 plus 10 plus c is 42. So c will be 42 minus 18 minus 10. 42 minus 28, that is 40. So the third side is 14 centimeter. Now all the three sides are known, we can find the area. First of all, find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is perimeter by 2. So perimeter is given 42 by 2, that is 21. So value of S is 21 centimeter. Now find the area of triangle by Heron's formula, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. 21 minus 18, 21 minus next is 10 and 21 minus 40. So this is equal to 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. So with 21 can be written as 3 into 7, one pair of 3, one pair of 7. So this is the area of the triangle. This is centimeter. So this is equal to 21 root 11 centimeter square. Now question number 5. Ratio of the three sides of triangle is given, that is 12 ratio 17 ratio 25. Perimeter is given 540 centimeter. We have to find the area. We all know whenever the quantity is given in the form of ratio, how to suppose the quantities. So since the ratio is given of the sides, so let the side A is equal to 12x, B is 17x and C is 25x. So now the perimeter is given. Perimeter is equal to sum of all the three sides. So 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540. This is 54. So x will be 10. So therefore A is equal to 12 into 10, that is 120 centimeter. B is 17 into 10, 170 centimeter. And C is 25 into 10, 250 centimeter. So now all the three sides are known. We can find the area. First of all, semi-perimeter, perimeter by 2, 540 by 2, that is 270 centimeter. Now find the area. Area is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. 270 minus A, what is A? 120, 270 minus 170 and 270 minus 250. So this is equal to 270 into, this is 150, this is 100 and this is equal to 20. So on multiplying it will be 81 and 6 zeros here. Clear everyone? So the square root here is square root of 81 is 9 and there are 6 zeros. So in the square root there will be half zeros, that is 3. So area of triangle is 9000 centimeter square. Last question of this exercise now, question number 6. There is an isosceles triangle, perimeter is 30 centimeter, one of the two sides is 12 centimeter. So in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So if one is 12, the another will be 12 also. We have to find first the third side, and after that we will calculate the area of the triangle. So perimeter is equal to sum of sides. So 12 plus 12 plus c is equal to 30. C 30 minus 24. This is equal to 6 centimeter. Clear everyone? So this is the third side here. Now we have to calculate the area of the triangle. So first of all calculate semi-perimeter, P by 2, 30 by 2, that is 15 centimeter. And now area of triangle, root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is 15, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 6. So this is 15 into 3 into 3 into 9, 3 into 5, 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 pairs of 3. So 9 will come out from square, and 3 into 5, 15 centimeter. So this was question number 6. This is the complete 12.1 exercise. So this is all about this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.